Welcome, in front of me I have Motorola Edge 20 and today I'm going to make the phase unlock test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable is this phase unlock. So let's make a few tries, let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, this smartphone can recognize my face in a very try. It also works really fast, but I think that's a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor that we can find in the power key. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.